Ma!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Yung tagapayong namin. Saan punta? Ate kasi? Ang basura? Yan tagapayong namin, English era.
Ikaw na. English era ka pala eh.
English ma.
What are you doing?
Really, nigga?
English.
The fuck? The fuck? The fuck?
Hindi na si Aling kasi. On the way to Santa Luz.
Really, nigga?
Ni Daddy kasi.
Ha? Ayaw, sasakay ka doon?
Jollibee daw, Jollibee.
Ikaw.
Jollibee baby oh. Yan, nasasakayan na sila ng maglola ang pangit.
Alam mo, buwapo nyo.
Tandang-tanda ko pa ang abot langit ang saya kapag kasama ka, kaso lang wala ka na. Kung minsan ako'y napapadaan sa lugar na kung saan una tayong nag-aunawaan. Naaalala ko ba nung tayo'y high school pa? Saan man ako magpunta, laging nandun ka. Nung sa may tabing ilog, ikaw lang at ako, mamumulot ng bato, palayuan ng bato. Nahuhulog na ako sa mga tingin mo. Pag ako'y nagtatampo, agad nilalambing mo. Anong gagawin ko? Di ako mapalagay. Laging ang mga kamay sa bulsa nakalagay. Isang gabi nagkainuman kasama ang barkada. Basado nagtapat ng pag-ibig sa may kalsada. Mahal kita, mahal mo siya, ngunit may mahal na siyang iba. Pwede bang tayo na lang dalawa at bahala na lang sila?
Pilit kong limutin ka, pero parang di ko kaya. Mga alam-alam, nagpapaalala, mga gabi na hinati nating dalawa magkasama. Pilit mang iisipin ka, talagang hindi ko kaya. Mga alam-alam, nagpapaalala, may masasayang sandali tayong dalawa magkasama.
Maghapon na nga tayo magkatabi sa klase, kaso lang madami pa ring lalaking palihim dumiskarte. Pulis, negosyante, alkalde, higante.
Yo, nandito na sa Santa Cruz.
Dapat nag-tricycle ay nandito na lang tayo.
Mga bago. Magkaan pa niya yung beat. Kasi sumimbangs ma. Sumimbangs ma.
respect up on the street.
Mother! Hindi nga rito, mother.
I wanna get out of bed. Every time I'm with you, I just wanna stay in between your legs. Yeah. Ooh, I wanna get out of bed.
Oh, ito na yung mod. Malupet. Smoke. Pausapal. Kaya punta na kami sa Lumo. Ito na Lumo.
A few moments later.
B. Uwi na ikaw, uwi na. Ah, Jollibee oh, Jollibee. Kasi. Hindi ka, Papa.
I believe I can fly.
English. Paano English?
Hey, what are you talking about?
English. Ba, umiilaw yan. Sige, Z.
Wish I could bring back all the youth in my blood. Man, I would if I could. Then I would just write and do it. Before my head grew, then it grew and I buzzed. Nobody knew who I was. I just used the mic to do it. Back from the sidelines, still trying to climb up the skyline and let my light shine at nighttime. Rhymes are brighten minds and give sight to the blind. I'm bringing vision, mixing it with lyricism. I know everyone could rap, but none of them is singing like me. And they will contest my intellect. Wisdom cleanse, I disinfect my system from that crystal meth. Now I'll resurrect with double life expectancy, trying to leave a legacy in hopes that you'll remember me. A future full of dreams and a past is full of memories. I'm killing it today in case tomorrow isn't meant for me. Wish I could bring back all the youth in my blood. Man, I would if I could. Then I would just write and do it. Before my head grew, then it grew and I buzzed. Nobody knew who I was. I just used the mic to do it. Music is my drugs, doing what I love gets me fueled, now I'm fired up. Spit truth as food for the mind, just to prove my music is timeless. See, back then there were no open leads to go compete. A local genius had to roast the beat, repeat the whole procedure. But nowadays, man, it's just so convenient. Most comedians are labeled dope MCs, but posting memes on social media. If that's the whole achievement, my advice, the mighty price to pay will multiply it twice, and maybe then we finally rise. Rewrite the history, ignite the mics like dynamites, blast from the past and take it back to 1999. Wish I could bring back all the youth in my blood. Man, I would if I could.